Alright, well this is what we got today. Got a slightly filling limestone wall. We've got some heaving, or it's spalled off or something. I mean, that face looks fairly parallel, so I think we spalled the face off, and I don't know where the stone went. It must have broke up into small enough pieces that they moved it by hand or something. He just wants this area here kind of restabilized, so I'm going to pull the rock off and shelf it off and try to get everything reset. I brought some stone the other day, so we can use it just in case that stuff spalled off too much. We might use it on the top, and we'll use the new stuff on the bottom or something. But anyways, we'll get unchained. I mean, I'm probably gonna have to come off all the way back to here and reset that one, because it's trying to bridge on there and it's not doing a very good job. So we'll pick some of this stuff out, get it out of the way, get base reset, and see what we can get done. And then we'll bring the mini skid, because we're gonna top dress the top with rock and stuff like that. Anyways, we'll get unloaded and get set up, and we'll get it turned back on. Okay, well, we got the repair in. We just repaired that little section there. We've got some spalled off block that everything we pulled out seemed like it broke in half, but we just replaced those 5 blocks in there. Had to bridge it because the material's different size. Not a lot we could do. I could have brought yet another piece of material maybe to get in there, but on repairs it's kind of hard to get something fit in good, and I mean that's got 2 different size materials in the wall anyways, and it was harvested material. It wasn't, you know, split for wall block. It was just stuff dug out of a hill, and it's been in a while. Stuff's popping pretty good, breaking apart, but we're gonna go get the skid loader, and we've got some river rock we're gonna top dress it all with. There's an area back there underneath the AC unit that we need to get rock under, and then we're just going to tuck point all the stuff up here in the corner, kind of top dress this. But anyways, we'll be back with the skid loader here in just a little bit. We top dressed it all with some fresh Kansas. We put some 2-inch in there so it won't come out on the parking lot as easy as that little pea gravel size, that small 3/8 chip. But anyways, there's our repair. Obviously we've got different thicknesses of stone. I mean, the original wall has 2 to 3 different thicknesses. That's kind of what we had, so we've got some bridges underneath. I put a larger one there so it goes back quite a ways. It ought to hold in the hill just fine. Really shouldn't have an issue. They all kind of tuck pointed in decent. I mean, it doesn't look horrible besides the difference in the color. Anyways, there was a huge void up here. We shoved a bunch of shelf rock in there that broke off, and then we backfilled it with gravel. This is tucked in there, and then we pushed gravel in there, pushed gravel inside the rock. And anyways, to help kind of hold up that air conditioner pad, it's got a pier under it. That's the only reason it didn't break off the building. But anyways, they didn't want to do anything with that. They just wanted to repair the section that was falling out. It was literally missing, I don't know where the stones went. It was missing a couple stones. Anyway, so there's what we got done today. didn't turn out too awful bad. I mean, this is original here. That one, it's just, that's all original. We just replaced literally what was missing. Anyways, that's today. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.